We use sticky rice, can do it. White rice cannot do that.
Oh.
The dog got some as well. Okay, we introduce our kids student. Yeah, his house here, Mr. Amo. Okay, how are you, Amo? Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
And how old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
10 years old. So, how is your English now? Bên cho cá sạch gì lại ha? Bên cho cá lại. Xin cho lại. Chị都cần帶乜嘢嚟？
Tao bên mẹ cái gì?
Tao về chân lý à?
Baseball.
One more. This is Mr. Jung. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is
Jung. Do you join children class?
nyuam.
How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
11 years old. And where are you from?
I'm from Laos.
From Laos. Where's your house? Yeah. Do you want to study English now?
Tao cởi tiếng nói.
Bahasa gần đó rồi. Xa cơ bây giờ. Bây giờ chị lấy gần đó rồi. Một cái món chị lấy cởi bây giờ. Okay. Okay, thank you, Mr. Jung. He's joining children class. Yeah, it's getting ready now. Tí là tàu nó vậy. Yeah, ready đó.
Nó lo cục đây à? Nó lo. Nói cô mà nó hôm nay mà nó nói cô. Con còn tới ấu đấy.
Tôi chỉ bảo phải có ra chứ lọc anh chắc là đó nhập của đây tông không nó. Gì lo ba cái lúc bán là tụi nó ai chứ?
You see what there's what they do. Yeah. Children really like it. Ready for one. We use the egg to make it, so we're not stick our hand, right? You see, the egg is down there. Yeah, you see one is ready now in the tàu này, ready. So now we can grill it. Yeah. Nó gì cho mình chín nó thế này. Nó gì cho mình chín nào ha. Nó nói đó rồi rống rọt vào trước nè. Yeah, this. Hey, hello. Hello. Excuse me. What's your name?
My name is special.
Your name is Bajo, and how old are you? How old are you? Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Tell someone.
I am on 12 years old.
12 years old, and are you studying now? Bất cần đó rồi. She's shy. She's training a youth class also. Yeah. And she's so shy. Yeah. Okay. And thank you. I'm trying to ask this girl. Hello. She's shy.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Den Sang.
Din Sang. How old are you, Din Sang?
I am 8 years old.
8 years old. And are you studying now? Bất cần đó rồi. Nhưng hôm nào vào lấy cờ là? Có gì? Mua cà mó chỉ lấy cờ là. Hello. What's your name?
My name is Siva.
Siva. And how old are you?
12 years old.
12 years old. And what are you doing? Câu hỏi gì nữa?
Go today.
Today. Theo ở chị bằng sao con chạy?
Thua.
Sao con chạy hết đó? Okay. Con cho các bạn sản kỹ lý.
Do
Cho mẹ.ภาษากันได้เลย Sa. Okay. ว่าจะให้จีได้กันเลย
Mất corona chỉ đây.
เมื่อโควิดจีได้กันไว้ยัง Okay. ชินเดียร์เหลือคัดที่ได้กันด้วย Okay. คุณต้องเช็คกันแล้ว Okay. ที่จากนั้นเนี่ยจีได้กันได้หรือยัง ภาษากันได้เลย
Sao cứ
Sa thì chỉ mà chị lấy cờ đi chỉ mua cá mó vậy. Okay. Thôi thì chỉ mua cá mó nào tới gần tới rồi. Thank you. You'll find the other one, sir. Yeah. Hello. Okay, hello. They cannot speak to me. They're shy. Con bé hụt dạ. Con bé hụt dạ. Yeah. She's shy. For the children that not joining my class, they're a bit shy. Yeah. they even can stand talk to us. This is how you see how we build their, like how we break their shyness, right? Some of my students, we break their shyness so they're a bit more like a bit confident more than the other children not joining the class, right? Okay, hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Eya.
Yang. And how old are you?
I am 12 years old.
12 years old. And where are you going? Mua gì?
Không là.
Không.
Ừ.
What is that? Mua gì?
Không biết sao hết giờ ốc tao mắc hành.
Sponsor and
Mắc hành.
fruit juice. Yeah. And what are you doing now? Cho nó gì chứ?
Chả na chơi. Có hao lửa cả trẻ ha.
Nhưng hôm nào mua gì chứ?
Hôm nào chồng nóng đây.
Tóm lê họ số tiền đó là số tiền đâu?
Số tiền đâu?
Không?
Ừ.
Okay. Some children are at the farm and they are not at home. So maybe we cannot talk to all the students. We just try some only. Yeah. How is their English now? You have seen, right? But still keep remember a little. Yeah. But they cannot talk too much. Yeah.